Hello everyone, this is Karen Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about 10 ways to manage low back pain at home. So if you like the video related to my health, my way, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin this go. 10 ways to manage low back pain at home. Back pain is one of the most common physical ailments. Studies show that 8 in 10 Americans have back pain at some point in their lives, usually in the lower back. You might have sprained it while working in the yard or cleaning house, or your back might hurt from an old sports injury or a chronic condition such as arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis. Sudden or severe back pain should be checked by a doctor or a physical therapist. That also goes for pain that won't go away. But sometimes you can treat nagging pain and discomfort on your own. First, keep moving. You might not feel like it when you are in pain, but this is probably the first thing your doctor will recommend. A common misconception in patients with isolated back pain is that they can't stay active. Try to keep up with your usual level of daily activity and movement. It can be a brisk 30-minute walk or circling the block with your dog. Aim to get on your feet at least 3 times a week. Being sedentary allows the muscle around the spine and in the back to become weak. So that in turn can cause less support for the spine and lead to long-term pain. Then it comes to the second one, stretch and strengthen. Strong muscles, especially in your abdominal core, help support your back. Strength and flexibility may help both relieve your pain and prevent it. A lot of times I encourage people to do that first thing in the morning, but if you are older or worried about overdoing it, you can stretch and do your strengthening exercise later in the day when your body is warmed up. Yoga, pilates, and tai chi are just a few of the ways to strengthen your core and the muscles around your hips. One exercise that targets your entire upper and lower back is to lie on your tummy and lift up your legs and arms in the flying position. Then third, keep good posture. This helps ease the pressure on your lower back. You can use tape, straps, or stretchy bands to help keep your spine in alignment. Aim to keep your head centered over your pelvis. Don't slouch your shoulders or crane your chin forward. If you work in front of a screen, rest your arms evenly on the table or desk and keep your eyes level with the top of the screen. Get up from your chair and stretch and walk regularly. Fourth, maintain a healthy weight. Shedding extra pound lighten the load on your lower back. Weight loss really helps with pain because it reduces the amount of mechanical force onto the spine. If you need help, ask your doctor for advice on a diet and exercise plan that may work best for you. Then fifth, quit smoking. Research suggests that if you smoke, you may be 4 times more likely than non-smokers to have degenerative disc disease or other spine problems. Nicotine in cigarettes and other tobacco products can weaken your spinal bones and take away vital nutrients from the spongy disc that cushion your joint. A healthy spine keeps your back flexible and its muscle from getting stiff and sore. Then six, try ice and heat. You may have heard that one is better than the other for relief from back pain. The short answer is that the best option is whichever works for you. Some people come in and they swear by heat or ice. You might want to try both. You will probably find that one is better suited for your relief. Usually, ice is best if your back is bothered by swelling or inflammation. A heating pad may be better if you are trying to relax stiff or tight muscle. So, limiting ice or heat treatment to 20 minutes at a time, and don't use them if you're also putting muscle ache creams or ointments on your screen. That's all about the back pain in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.